Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to run a traffic campaign. First I will go to Facebook's Ads Manager, then click on create and select traffic, then click on continue. Okay, I select manual traffic campaign, continue. If you don't know what a traffic campaign and why you should run it, then you can click on I button and watch my previous video. In my previous video I discussed all the campaigns in details. Okay, first we need to give a name of this campaign. I give this name. Now objective is traffic. Okay, ad set budget or campaign budget. I select campaign budget, and there are two types of budget, daily budget and lifetime budget. I will keep daily budget for this campaign, $10. Then categories, if your ads are related to these topics, you can select them from here. Okay, click on next. Here again a name will be given. I just give my website name here. Conversion means what do you want traffic through, website or any message. I want website, so I select website. Okay, performance goal. Here I will give the landing page view. If you want, you can also give link clicks. Now budget and schedule. You can custom the start date and the end date. I select the end date 23 December. Okay, then select the location where you want to run your ads. Then click on advantage audience. You can custom the age 18 to, I select 855. I select all gender. Then detail targeting. Click on detail targeting. Detail targeting means you want these people to know about your website. Like my website is an e-commerce website, so I just search my product type interest. Here's my first product is bags. I search in bag accessories. Okay, then need more. I select shopping, online shopping, handbags. I sell jewelry too, so I select in jewelry, clothing. Okay, it's already done. Then click on placements, advantage placement, click on edit, then click manual placements. I off this option. You can custom the platforms and fee. I select advantage and placements and click on next. Again I keep a name, add one, that's why I write in one. Okay, then select your Facebook page, then add creative, single image or video, carousel or collection. Here you can provide a single image or video or carousel or collection. I have another video on how to add carousel and collection. You can watch it from the I button or description. I will click on single image or video. Then you will give the link to your website here. The website you want traffic to. Here is my website. I copy my website name and paste it here. Now add creative, set up creative, click image add, click next, then select your product. I select it, then click on next. Okay, next. We need to give the primary text, headline and description and call to action. Okay, I already have this primary text, headline and description. I just copy it and paste it here. Primary text, this, and now headline. Here is my headline. Now description. I just put a simple description. Okay, call to action. It will be shop now. Then click on next. If you want, you can give here many headline, primary text and many description. I just give one. Click on next. Here is preview. Your product shows like this. Here you can add a button of your choice in the call to action. I select shop. Website events tracking. Pixel are coming here because my website has a pixel connected to it. I have detailed videos on how to connect pixel to your website and how to track customer data. You can watch the videos from the description or playlist. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.